Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as soroban-version. In smart contracts, using outdated versions of dependencies can lead to security vulnerabilities and other issues. The soroban-version issue occurs when a project is using an old version of the Soroban SDK. This can lead to potential security vulnerabilities and bugs that have been addressed in newer versions. Here's an example where this issue appears. Notice how the dependency version is fixed at version 20, 0.0, which might not include the latest security patches and features. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run Cargo Scout Audit. The warning related to soroban-version appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we update the Soroban SDK to the latest version available. When we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to keep your dependencies up to date to avoid potential security issues. Always ensure you are using the latest versions of the libraries and tools you depend on. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.